Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issue of kicking you out on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter, or you click on the window or to the app of Snapchat, and you click here. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.